So we got about how much snow we have? Like 10 inches, 12 inches? What do you think?
More than that. Yeah.
More than that? And we just got done our meeting. Here we are at the meeting house, Schuylkill Friends Meeting House. We did shovel a little path for the children to get to the school and to the wood pile, but it's filling up pretty quickly. Nice day for a meeting. Mikey got here at around 6:45 a.m. It's about 10:15 now. Victor got here around 8:30. Patrick picked me up around 7:35. We got here around 8, I guess. Bobby got here. He went and picked up Josh, and he got here around, I don't know when he got here. Maybe 8:30, 8:45. We might want to. Looks like they looks like they plowed the street since we came. State of emergency. Oh, I'm thinking. Oops. Closer to 9?
Yep. How you doing, Cor? I love you, man.
It looks like was the street plowed when you got here? Looks like
this one,
yeah.
Kind of.
It's done nicely now.
What's that?
They plowed it. Must have done it recently. What's that?
Everybody got a ride out of here? Yeah, pretty high lift. All right, I'll talk to you soon, my brother.
Take care. Stop by sometime. Yeah, I'm gonna videotape him leaving.
All right, man. I'll see you. Bye.
Oh, I'm sorry. He cleared out half of the path, half of the berm. Just go straight. There's a big mound over here on your right.
Keeps digging me back into the previous tracks.
go, Mikey. See, he had a straight run. He had it easy.
How going?
Good meeting.